Rate cut hype is back, but we see some consumer red flags heading into Black Friday. Markets strongly rallied this week, rebounding up 2.5%. While it's been slower with Thanksgiving on Thursday, Tuesday was the day with the data. We got some delayed updates on the PPI, retail sales, as well as November consumer confidence. So what did we get? Well, first, inflation with the September PPI. Overall headline PPI was in line and moderately higher, but core PPI barely ticked up below expectations. Not too surprising after the more moderate CPI data we got last month. However, this likely continues to bolster the case for another rate cut in December, which markets are rallying on. We also got the delayed retail sales, which grew but lower than expected. Not significantly worse, but something to watch going into Black Friday. And finally, we got the November consumer confidence, which fell 7% since October and more than expected. In addition, the expectations index tumbled 12% to 63. This is key for consumer confidence as it's well below 80, which is considered where recession worries start. So what now? Well, Thanksgiving, but more importantly, the day after, Black Friday. Investors will be keying in on sales strength as a signal for how the holiday season is shaping up and how resilient consumer spending remains. However, we would take the results with a grain of salt as we expect thrifty shopping to pick up anyways if there's recession concerns. We'd likely get some early data potentially by Friday with a more full view by early next week. Stay tuned for more updates.